Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create epic in Jira. So simply what you need to do, just you have to click on the create button you can see here. So simply after this, just select the relevant project you want to create epic. So simply after this, just click the issue type and select the epic option here. Now you can also change the status and add summary here. So simply I am typing some words. You can also type your summary here and also add some description here. You can also change the font and size of description, and here you can assign the person whom do you want to assign. Also select the label, and you can also add the date here. You can also change the color of this issue, and even you can also upload a personal file. So after this, just what you need to do, final step, just click on create. So in this way you can easily create epic in Jira.